Good day, everyone. So the lesson for today is about time. Let's try to find the end time. Now let us now find the end time using the method T-chart. The problem is the cake needs to be baked for 45 minutes. Ryan put the cake in the oven at 8:10 p.m. What time will the cake be done? So we know that the start time is at 8:10. Okay, so that is at 8:10. So we put the time here. So we'll start at 8:10 p.m. And the duration is only for 45 minutes. So instead of adding 45 minutes, take note this time we will be adding. We will be doing it forward, okay? Because we're trying to find the end time. So 45 minutes can be written as 30 minutes and 15 minutes. It's easier to add or subtract 30 minutes then 15 minutes, okay, than doing it right away as 45 minutes. So first, we add 30 minutes. So that will give us an 8:40 minutes. Then after that, we can also add now the 15 minutes. And that will give us an 8:55 p.m. For some, they can do this separately. They can do 10 minutes and then they can add 5 minutes after. But still, you will get the same time at 8:15, 8:55. Okay? Let's use a different method in solving the same problem. If we're going to solve this problem using the number line, we know now that we will be starting at 8:10 p.m. And then before we add, we can convert the 45 to 30 and 15 minutes. So we add 30 minutes on 8:10. That will give us an 8:40. And then add again 15 minutes. And that will give us an 8:55. So our end time is at 8:55. Again, for some, if you want, you can also do it by, again, dividing the 15 into two parts. You can have 10 minutes and 5 minutes. So instead of adding 15 right away, we can add first the 10 minutes to give us an 8:50. Then to complete the 45 minutes, you still have to add 5 minutes. So that is at 8:55 p.m. In finding the end time using T-charts given this problem, we know that 14:45 is our start time. That's the time dito we'll start playing or practice soccer. And he leaves 45 minutes later. What time did he leave? So again, 14:45 is our start time. And the 45 minutes here is our duration. We can divide the 45 minutes into two parts. It can be by 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Why 15? Because 15, when added to 45, gives us a 60. And the 60 is automatic 1 hour already. So when we add 15 minutes here, that will give us 15 plus 45, that is already 60. And 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. So we will be adding that to the 14. That will become 1500 hours. And then we have the 30 minutes to complete the 45 minutes. So it will be equal to 15 and 30 hours. We can also change the 14 and 45 hours into the 12-hour format. So instead of writing 14 45 hours, we can also write 2:45 p.m. It's 2:45 p.m. because it already passed the 12-hour time. So it means that the 12 hour is actually the 12, and the 1300 hours is equivalent to 1 o'clock. The 14 means it's 2 o'clock. So therefore, plus the 45 minutes remaining, that will give us a 14:45 is 2:45 p.m. So our start time will be 2:45 p.m. And then we can also do again the 45 minutes by separating it into two minutes. The first minute is at 15 minutes, and the other one is at 30 minutes. So again, by adding the 15 minutes first, so that we can complete the 60 minutes, which is equivalent to 1 hour, that will give us a 0 minutes here, but we add 1 on the 2 hours. And then to complete the 45 minutes, we now add the 30 minutes. And that is 3:30 p.m. So therefore, the 15:30 hours is just the same as 3:30 p.m. How about by using a number line? With the same problem, we know that 14:45 is our start time. For some, they can directly add the 45 minutes if they want to. Okay, so by adding 45 minutes, they will get a 15 and 30 hours. Okay, but for some, it might be confusing because we only have until 60. Then we go back to 0 again. So it's better for some to divide the 45 minutes into 2. So the 45 minutes can be written as 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So from our start time 14:45, we can first add the 15 minutes. So it will give us 1500 hours. And then to complete the 45 minutes, we need to add now the 30 minutes. And that is just 15 and 30. So meaning, Lito will leave the practice at 15:30, or which is equivalent also at 3:30 p.m. That's it all for now, and I hope we learned how to find the end time using the two methods, the T chart and the number line. Thank you for watching.